Okay, find each of the following integrals if possible. We talked about this one, right? 1 over x log x. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over x over the natural log of x dx, right? If I have it that way, I can rewrite it this way. So the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. So it's just natural log of the absolute value of natural log of x plus c. Okay, all right, this time I'm going to write this as natural log of x times 1 over x dx. So that means I have the derivative of natural log of x right there. So I can use power rule on this because the derivative of the inside is outside. So it's just going to be natural log of x to the second power divided by 2 plus c. And this, not yet. You will actually learn how to do this, but not yet. This is not covered until, I think, chapter 6, which is the next chapter. All right. Here. What in the world is that? Okay. What is the derivative of arctan x? The derivative of arctan x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this as arctan x times 1 over 1 plus x squared. So what I have here is the derivative of this over here. So I can use the power rule on this. Right? So that's going to be, using the power rule, that's going to be arctan x to the second power divided by 2 plus a constant. Right? As long as I have the derivative somewhere here, that derivative gets absorbed because I'm using the power rule. Right? Or it's like the, so just think about it. Oh, go ahead and take the derivatives. If you take the derivatives, the 2's cancel, right? And you have to do chain rule and take the derivative of arctan x, which gives you 1 over 1 plus x squared. So it pops back out. Number 9, find the area of the region following that. So that's what, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So we're doing this integral, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 3 cosine x plus over 1 plus sine squared x. Alright. I was hoping it was something else. Alright. So this might be arctan, so check it out. So u, if this were arctan, that means u is sine x, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So there it is. Okay, so the only thing I do is pop out the 3. And what I have here is du over 1 plus u squared, right? And that was arctan. So it's arctan of sine plus c. Nope, it's from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. I remember there were fractions in here, but what is a? A is 1. So it would have been 1 over 1 sine x over 1. Alright, so let's work this out. Alright, so if you plug in pi over 2, so that'd be arctan of sine of pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 is 1 minus 3 arctan of sine of negative pi over 2, which would be negative 1. Alright, so arctan of 1 is pi over 4, so it's 3 pi over 4 minus arctan of negative 1 is negative pi over 4, so that turns into positive 3 pi over 4. So that equals a 6 pi over 8. I'm sorry, 6 pi over 4, which is same thing as 3 pi over 2. Okay, and then the last one here, and the end of chapter 5. No goodness. Alright, this we're going from 0 to log root 3. Great. Alright. So we want to integrate this from 0 to log root 3. And we're doing this thing, 4e to the x over 1 plus e to the 2x. What is u? U equals e to the x, so that's how I'm getting the e squared, right? It's u squared, not e squared, u squared. Du equals e to the x dx, so I need that because I need a derivative of u up here. So the only thing that's extra is the 4. Let's just take it out. So that's going to be 4, and this is arctan, right? Arctan had that form. Arctan has the form of a squared plus u squared. There's no square roots on it. There's no exponents on that other than what's already there. And the derivative of u, right? So in this example, if I set u to be e to the x, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, so it's sitting right there. Alright, so the only thing extra is the 4. So this is now arctan. Arctan of u, so that's e to the x. And we're taking that from 0 to natural log of square root of 3. Alright. So that's going to be 4 arctan. I'll just put the 4 out there. So it's arctan of e to the natural log of root 3 minus arctan of e to the 0. Alright. So e and natural log cancel each other out. So it's arctan of square root of 3. Arctan of square root of 3 minus e to the 0 is 1, so it's arctan of 1. So arctan of square root of 3 is pi over 3. And arctan of 1 is pi over 4ths. So that's what? 4 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12. So that's pi over 12. So 4 times pi over 12. So that's pi thirds. Okay. That's it.